Got the new exhaust manifold on there. So it's running quieter now, huh?
No, push more of the mouse nest out of the back.
Yeah. The gas tank is in there. That's all hooked up?
Yeah, it is all hooked up now too. I'm not sure if I have enough gas in it yet or not. Or the pump might not be working for me. I had it running yesterday. It's in new shoes and wheel cylinders.
Oh yeah. The brakes are coming along.
The metal part of the cylinders were still free. It was
Yeah.
the boots inside that were froze. Were just solid, rusted in solid.
Yeah.
It was weird. I thought they were going to be all right at first, and then because they just kind of pushed them out, and then I couldn't push the rubbers out. They were frozen in. Usually you just see all kinds of corrosion, but it wasn't too bad. I mean, other than my seal isn't any good, and I can't move the lock switch on this side, so I'm soaking it inside the truck there, and then some diesel fuel. So see if I can get it to free up. Then I got my oil bath all back together.
Oh yeah.
Except I was trying to start it yesterday, so I took the top piece off of it.
Yeah. Well, let's see if I can get around here without tripping on the wire. And yeah, there's the old air filter, oil bath air filter.
I was surprised how much of an angle I have that at, but that's not where it's supposed to be.
Yeah. Huh.
Oil bath, heater core's hooked up.
Yeah.
Then over here I got the rims are all painted for the front.
Oh yeah. Good.
Put the more correct size tires on the front.
Yeah.
Politically correct Jeep tires. They'll be better.
Here's the other one.
I had a set of 4 for these anyways, but the 2 of them are on my Mercury.
Yeah.
So that's something like that. That's all I'm doing now. I'm gonna get a body here. I'm gonna keep doing some welds. Gonna do some more welding.
Yeah.
Now you got me thinking maybe I shouldn't do any welding.
Yeah, those fenders look really good. You know, I mean, there's a ton of Bondo in these.
Also preparing to get the pedal stack.
Oh yeah.
Gas pedals all repainted.
Oh yeah, fresh paint on that. That makes it look like a new gas pedal.
Yeah. Just neat, interesting little setup for these things too, though.
Yeah. That's really something.
But yeah, that's one of the other things I gotta do. I've got my throttle linkage so I can actually move the car around, move the Jeep around when the time comes. I was surprised that the shoes are the same size on the front and the back. Usually they do bigger shoes in the front than in the back.
Yeah.
On most vehicles, but maybe because it's such a small rig, they didn't
Yeah,
bother.
it's probably because it's such a small thing. Because that 53 Jeep I had was the same thing, front and rear, the same size. Okay, time to mount the tires.
They look better than the rusty white.
Yeah.
It was actually, it looks like they painted them, they were all green, but they painted them white. Well, green and black there, I guess. But
Yeah.
I was surprised. I said, what? The reason I got 4 of these is because I bought a junk Astro van,
Oh yeah.
you know? I thought I could resell it, but it didn't work out so well, so I didn't bother. Just took what I could off of it and sent it down the road.
Yeah.
Just too bad it had the nice tubular front A-arm suspension on the front clip, And I was like, geez, if I had a place to store it, I'd probably take the freaking front clipper.
Yeah.
Use it for clip another frame, you know?
Yeah.
And make an all-wheel drive hot rod.
Well, this machine makes it look so easy. Mine makes it look so hard.
I know, huh?
Yeah, I don't know. I should get rid of that damn thing. Just have you do all my wheels.
You get good money for it. People want those antique ones.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Maybe I just need to move it around a little more.
Yeah.
There it is. I betcha.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. Looks like you got to clean up the tires now.
I know, right? Luckily, I got some of that tire stuff from the last car show I went to.
Yeah.
Tire shine. I can soak it in a little bit, clean it off. You know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. Just such a narrow tire rim.
Yeah.
I thought it was supposed to go down more. I'm at 55 pounds. There, 40's better.
Yeah.
Still looks a little odd with the bias ply on the back. Then again, I don't know. What time is it now? Have to Google where Bedford is.
Yeah, I don't know. I got up this morning at 7:30, and it was really 8:30.
Yeah, I know. You forgot to spring forward. Right?
Yeah. But I've got an appointment Tuesday at 8:30 in the morning, and if I wake up at 8:30 in the morning, I'm not going to make that appointment. And I don't have an alarm clock, so I don't know how I'm going to be able to make.
Oh, damn! I was gonna say your phone has one, but you have a hard time getting your phone to work right. Wake up call, huh?
Yeah.
But then, do you wake up when your phone rings?
Yeah, I got one right on my bed. Yeah, on the headboard. I got 3 of those remote telephones. One in the garage, one on the desk, and one in the bedroom.
So I leave the house at like 7.
Yeah. Well, I tried to cancel or reschedule the appointment, but I haven't heard back from them.
Oh, okay.
So if they won't do it, then I guess I'll have to have you call me when you wake up.
Yeah.
Give me a wake-up call. I'll have to let you know.
Alright, sounds fine by me. Yeah, because I have to be up for the kids, so. Well, not really Isaiah. Isaiah's doing pretty good there. He gets up on his own.
Yeah.
But I usually at least feed him breakfast and stuff, so he doesn't have to worry about getting up and getting breakfast.
Yeah.
So you gotta use these tires for a little while. And then I can throw them away afterwards.
Yeah.
Wow. Damn. Really bold and dry too. So
Yeah.
they don't sit in there like they're supposed to. Oh, I see what the problem is. Okay. Almost fell down through the bottom.
Oh.
That's what the problem is. Okay. It's so narrow. I didn't want to go in. There you go.
There it is.
There it is. And Kaiser Willys actually sells the old Jeep style wheels too.
Yeah.
Wheels you can get rims and tires or just tires. So,
The military
depends on-
tires?
Yeah, the military ones. Yeah.
Oh.
There's a guy over in Tamworth who's got a couple of CJ5s, but he hasn't finished them.
Huh.
They've been sitting there for years. There. And this one's ready for that side.
Yeah, you can't put that one on yet.